Morning geocachers, I hope you're well. I'm down by the river in York. It is a bit flooded at the moment. In my previous video, I think the flood did get in the way of me finding one of them, but then I found another one where I didn't expect to find it, which oddly enough is in this area here where I am now. So I'm just moving on from here and I'm going looking for that one, and it's called By the River. Let me do a quick screenshot so I can put that up here. It's called By the River, and on Navigate it is 173 metres thereabouts away from where I am now. As you can see, the floodgates are closed under, I think this is Skeldergate Bridge. These are steps down, and as you can see, the river is way up at the moment. On the left here, you've got the rowing club. Hello. Look at the patterns that the river's created on the bank.
Morning.
Morning. And the river created some wonderful patterns on here, look.
I know, there's some up there as well.
Is there?
It's really quite pretty.
It is quite pretty, yeah. Nature at its best. Yeah, as you can see, frosty and floody. Now here there are normally steps, well actually you can see some of them just up there, that go down to the river, and this is where the rowing club boats launch from. It would be a good day to be paddling downstream on here today in the kayak, but not upstream. I'm not far away. I think you can see up further up there, centre screen, where the river has burst the banks. The patterns in the that are on here are obviously caused by the river lapping as it ebbs back. I thought somebody had done a very crafty cache there and hidden, that's a hearing aid, hidden it in a hearing aid. So I'm in the Memorial Gardens in York, and I am a little bit lost with this one. The hint, well, the GPS points to that corner over there by that building, and the sign says, sorry, the hint says info. But I can't see anything in that area that suggests info as to where the cache would be. So yeah, that was a bit of an unusual one. The info board that it was hidden behind has dropped off the wall over there. Dropped off the gate posts, the fittings are damaged. I've inadvertently found the cache on the floor, quite by chance. I've re-hidden it and I've messaged the cache owner to say it's jiggered, basically. And that's all I can really do. I'm going to log it as found, obviously, because I did find it, and that's all. So, bit of an exciting one. I've never had one like that before. That's it for this video. I hope you've liked it. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, give it a thumbs down. If you subscribe to the channel, then when you log into YouTube, you'll get a little notification when I've uploaded any new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.